All right, all of our balloons are filled with water. Look at those flowers just peeking through. We're gonna go ahead and pop these in our freezer. Oh my goodness, this is so fun. All right, we have our ice bucket here. Go ahead and do a small layer of ice. Half a bag should be plenty. Now I'm gonna grab my twinkle lights and we're just gonna kind of sporadically put these in here. It's just gonna add a fun effect for a party or whatever gathering you're gonna do. It could be great for a wedding. This is just such a fun little trick that I love to do all year round that really impresses people. Okay, kind of just get spread out as best as you can. That looks just about right. Now, go ahead and add your drinks. We have some Martinelli sparkling cider that we're gonna snuggle in there. You can add champagne, you know, your rosé, whatever you wanna add in here. We're just doing the sparkling cider because that's what we enjoy. Nicely snug. Now it is time to go into the freezer and grab those balloons. All right, these are fully hardened. You can still kind of see that flower right there. Let's go ahead, cut into the balloon. Look at that, a beautiful ice with that gorgeous flower. We're gonna place that right into our ice bucket. Oh. Look how beautiful that is. So easy, so fun, just gorgeous floral ice cubes. All right, I think we can fit one more. Look how fun these are. Woo! Okay, but remember we put those lights in there? Let's go ahead and turn these lights off so we can see the party.